So if you guys have been around on my channel for about a year now, you'll know that my Phantom 4 Pro is broken. Back in January of 2018, I was snowmobiling, and after a full day of snowmobiling, I had this thing on my backpack. I was getting off of the sled, slipped, fell right on the backpack. The drone was broken. I cracked the back leg, I cracked the shell, but everything still worked. I could fly this thing, it went to top speed, it still flew a full 30 minutes or whatever you usually get with the Phantom 4 Pro. But I knew that I had to get it fixed. Now, as of recent, I haven't really been flying the Phantom. I've been flying the Inspire 2 or the Mavic 2 Pro just because those are like the best drones in my opinion, and the Phantom is a little bit old, but this drone had always been my favorite. It blended power, portability, and camera quality all into such a perfect package. Recently, DJI Drone Service reached out to me and they said, hey, send us your drone, we'll fix it up, we'll send it back to you. It took them about a week to fix this thing up, and now I got it back, and it is perfectly fixed. Now, here's the thing about DJI Drone Service, really any third party that's going to be fixing your drone. You want to make sure that they have certified technicians, which they do. They've got DJI certified technicians working on your drone. Here's my problem with sending it right to DJI. They don't send you your drone back. The whole operation they have going on there is like when you send your drone in, it gets put into a queue and then you get the first drone that's fixed. So if it's not your drone, it could be somebody else's. Chances are it's always gonna be somebody else's. And that's a big problem with me. I wanna make sure I get my drone back, and with DJI Drone Service, I sent it to them, they fixed it, and I got my drone back in a little over a week. Now, another good thing is they pay for the shipping, right? So I shipped it to them, they're gonna let me know how much it costs, and then if I don't wanna pay it, they'll pay for the shipping back. So they do free quotes, which is awesome. So anyway, my Phantom 4 Pro is fixed. I haven't been able to fly this thing in a while, and I guess I really haven't wanted to, but now that it's fully fixed, I want to get it up in the air. So today I'm going to do some flying here at this stack that I always fly at near my house, and I'm also going to go into the city of Philadelphia and fly a little bit. So hope you guys enjoy the footage.